Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this beautiful bridal blouse designing. This is so simple design that has been created with the flower motifs and very beautiful simple neckline which I'm gonna show you. So let's quickly start. I'll be placing the cord and giving the stitches so that it will be in place, and this is how we have to highlight the neckline. Also the sleeve opening, so that I'll be showing here. First we need to create the padded load stitch on this cording. Like this we have to give the slanting stitches, and for the padded loads I'll be using anchor thread of 6 strands. This is how we have to give the stitch. Place it slantingly on the cording and we need to give the stitches. Instead of anchor threads you can also try with the embroidering threads or other silk threads. Now on both the sides I'll be applying the glue to stick the chain bore lace. This is how the complete step by step will be processed, so that you will get the nice finishings with, and the output would be the same like Ari or the Makam work pattern. So now I'll be sticking chain bore lace. And next to this I'll be again applying the glue to stick the stone lace, followed with the chain bore lace again. So without any gaps we have to apply one after another, then stick it. I'll be using medium size pearls, drop shape kundans of pink color. This is to create the flower shape, and I'll be applying the glue lines of 5 to stick the drop shape kundans. This is how we have to stick the drop shape kundans. Next to this I'll be applying 3 dots to stick circular kundans of silver color. This is how complete neckline has to be followed. 1 flower shape and 3 kundans, and next to this I'll be highlighting these kundans with the chain bore lace. I had already measured accordingly. Now I'll be placing this chain bore lace on the glue to stick and elevating this in the shape of the flower. The complete neckline and the sleeve openings has to be highlighted in this border only. So little by little apply the glue and stick the chain bore lace. This is how the complete neckline will be designed. Now I'll be showing how to give the markings for the flower motifs. This is the 3 petal flower followed with the circular shape and extending towards the sides with the mango shape like this. Not exactly the mango shape, with the curves we need to give the shape like this. On both the sides we have to create this. Now exactly in the center of this top, 7 petals flower like this. Ensure to give the same size on these petals. Now the filling will be done with the orange color on these curves with the satin stitch like this. This is how I'll design to another side also in the same way with the satin stitch. Now the center of the petal would be with the orange color, and here I am going with the padded load stitch. Stitch in the center and give the overlap slanting stitches like this. This is how the padded load stitch will be created on these petals. The sides will be followed with the pink color, and here 7 petals, 1 orange, 1 pink, like that completely I am gonna with the padded load stitch. Now the complete design will be elevated with the chain bore lace only. So on the outlines I'd be applying the glue to stick the chain bore lace. I had already measured and cut accordingly, so now I'll be placing this on the glue to stick it If you know working with an RE needle, use the RE needle and give the joining with the sugar beads. This is to highlight this pattern. Remaining all will be the same. Follow the instructions and you can design it. Now the glue part is completely dried. We have to give an invisible stitches to stay for the long run. This is how we have to give the invisible stitches. Ensure the thread will not be visible, and in the center of these 3 kundans I will be stitching one simple small size of pearl. Use the contrasted colors matching to your garments or the sarees, which will really gives the nice appeal. You can also try this designing on already stitched blouses following these instructions. Remove the side stitches of the sleeve, fix the embroidering frame and follow the instructions. And I'm almost done with the design. This is how the final outcome would look. And if the blouse is turned, it will really looks as much as this. Very pretty and elegant. You must try this type of designing because this is so simple design that you can create on your old blouses to turn into new designer blouses. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles. May be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends.